Hello students, welcome back to studies. In this video, we will solve problems from exercise 12.1 taken from the mathematics textbook for class 7 by NCERT. Please don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Let's get started. Here they've asked us to write the algebraic expressions using variables, constants and arithmetic operations. Variables are nothing but algebraic variables, constants and arithmetic operations. So what they've done is they've given it in statement form. We need to write it in algebraic expression form. The first one is subtraction of z from y. So whenever the word from is there, whatever comes later, that has to be written first, from y. Okay, so from y, we need to subtract z. So this is the algebraic expression. They've asked us to subtract z from y. So whenever there is the word from, always take the variable given later. The variable given later has to be written first. Okay. Going ahead, the second one is 1/2 of the sum of numbers x and y. 1/2 is 1/2. Of is always multiply. Whenever you have of or product, all this signifies multiplication. So 1/2, 1/2 of what? The sum of, sum means what? Plus. Sum of x and y. Okay, so this will be nothing but half into x plus y. I repeat, 1/2 is nothing but 1/2. Of is always multiplication. So I'll write it over here. If in case if they give of, or if in case if they give you product, both this means multiplication. In case if they give you sum, that means plus. If the words of or product comes in the given algebraic expression, that means it is multiplication. If in case if the word sum comes, that means you are going to add it. Okay, so half of, so 1/2 into sum of numbers x and y, so x plus y. The next one is the number z multiplied, so number z multiplied by itself. Itself means it is multiplying again. The number z multiplied by itself, so z into z. So what is z into z? Z into z is nothing but z square. Okay, here again 1z plus 1z gives 2z. 1 plus 1 is 2. So we'll write it in this manner, right? 1z plus 1z. 1 plus 1 is 2z. Now this is addition. In case of multiplication, z into z, you need to go ahead and write it in powers, exponential form. So z into z is z square. Whenever multiplication comes, we will write it in the form of power. So z into z is equal to z square. Moving ahead, 1/4 of the product. So 1/4, 1/4 of, what did I say of is? Multiplication. Of what? Of the product. What do you mean by product? Multiplication. Product of what? Numbers p and q. So how you can write this? It's nothing but 1/4 into p into q is pq. Next is numbers x and y, both squared and added. So there are two numbers x and y. Both are squared. That means they are multiplying by itself. The power is 2. Square means 2. Both are squared and then added. So this is the required expression, x square plus y square. The next one is number 5 added to. So what you're doing? Number 5 added to what? 3 times. Times means multiplication. 3 times of what? The product of the numbers m and n. Okay, so if in case if the word of is given, it means multiplication. If in case if the word product is given, it means multiplication. If in case if they give the word times, that also means multiplication. So how will you write this? That will be equal to 5 plus 3 into m into n is 3mn. Okay. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. The word from is there. So whenever the word from comes, that means to say whatever next variable is written, that has to come first. So you are subtracting this from 10. So it is 10 minus what? Product. What did I say product is? Product is nothing but multiplication. So product of what? Y and z. That means 10 minus y into z is 12. So this is the required expression. Next one, students, what I suggest is always pause the video, try and solve it, and then continue and see whether your answers are right. Now, what is the required algebraic expression for the 8th problem? Sum of numbers a and b subtracted from their product. So first we need to find out their product. Product means what? Multiplication. Multiplication of what? The numbers a and b. So a into b. What is a into b? ab. I said from their product, right? From. So that means to say you need to write AB first. So the required algebraic expression is AB. Now, what is given over here? Sum of numbers A and B. What do you mean by sum? Plus. A plus B. So sum of numbers A and B subtracted from their product. Product is AB. Okay. Product is AB. Sum is A plus B. From AB minus subtract A plus B. This is the required expression. AB minus A plus B. Okay. We'll go ahead and solve the next main, that is, this was main 1. So we'll solve exercise 12.1, main 2 problems. In this problem, they've asked you to find out the terms and the factors, and then they've asked you to show the terms and factors by tree diagrams. Please refer to my previous videos where we have dealt in detail to find out, to identify the terms and factors and also to draw the tree diagrams. So here it's given x minus 3. So let me draw the tree diagram over here. Always keep in mind, whatever is given is called as the algebraic expression. So this is algebraic expression, right? And this particular algebraic expression is made up of 2 terms. You have the first term is x and the second term is minus 3. Please don't forget to write the sign as well. So what are these called as? These are called as terms of the algebraic expression. If nothing, no number is there, then it is 1. And from the terms, you identify the factors. So then you have factors. What are the factors over here? Plus 1 and x is the factors of 1x. What is the factor of minus 3? Minus 3 only. It does not have, it is made up of only one constant. As such, it is the factor of minus 3 is minus 3. The second problem is 1 plus x square. Now I'll write it over here. So you have 1 plus x square. Now this particular expression is made up of 3 terms. Which are the terms? You have plus 1, you have x, and you have x square. Okay, so if there are no numbers, it means 1. I hope you remember this. And if there is no sign, it means plus. Okay, here they've given the sign as well. Now plus 1, plus 1x and plus 1x square. What are these? These are the terms of the given expression. So if you want to find out the factors of this terms, plus 1 has got the factor plus 1. Plus 1x is made up of plus 1 and x. Plus 1x square is made up of plus 1 and x, and x into x is x square. So these are the factors. Okay, we'll solve the next one, that is y minus y cube. Y cube is y to the power 3. Y minus y to the power 3. The two terms are y, and please don't forget to write the sign, minus y to the power 3. If there are no numbers, it means 1. Right? So can you tell me what are the factors of 1y? It is 1 and y. If no sign is there, it is plus. What are the factors of minus 1 y to the power 3? You have minus 1 and you have y, one more y, and another y. Y into y into y is y. Okay. Please feel free to rewind and then check again if in case if you have not followed. Also check my previous videos where we have dealt in detail as to how to find out the terms and factors in the given algebraic expression. Okay, coming to the next problem. 5xy square plus 7x square y. Now this algebraic expression is made up of two terms. Which are the two terms? We have 5xy square and we have 7x square y. Okay, so 5xy square is made up of 5x, y square is nothing but y into y. Okay. If you want, you can write the sign over here, plus. Okay, if there is no sign, anyways, it is treated as plus. Okay, here we have 7 x to the power 2 x square. So x into x and then y. So these are called as the terms and these are called as the. I hope you have followed this. There is one more problem in this exercise. Let's solve that. So we have minus AB plus 2b square and minus 3a square. How many terms are there in this particular algebraic expression? There are 3 terms in this algebraic expression. Which are they? Minus ab plus 2b square and minus 3a square. If there is no number, that means it is 1. So which are the factors? Minus 1, a and b. For plus 2b square, which are the factors? Plus 2, b square is made up of b into b. And the last term, we have minus 3 and a square is nothing but a into a. So these are the terms. This is a algebraic expression with 3 terms, and then we have this. Moving ahead to next set of problems. What have they asked us to do here? They have asked us to identify the terms and factors in the expressions given below. Fine. What I'll do over here is, we're supposed to find out the terms and factors, right? So the expression is given over here. So first let us identify the terms and then we'll identify the factors. Like the previous set of problems, you can also do it by tree diagram, but in this problem they're not specifically asked you to find out through tree diagrams. Okay, now minus 4x plus 5. Which are the two terms? You have minus 4x and plus 5. So minus 4x and plus 5 other terms of this expression. Okay, and then they've asked you to find out the factors. They've asked you to find out the factors. What is the factor of minus 4x? It is minus 4 and x. What is the factor of plus 5? It is plus 5. Second problem, minus 4x plus 5. There are two terms in this expression. So the first term is minus 4x. The second term is plus 5y. What are the factors of minus 4x? You have minus 4 and x. What are the factors of plus 5y? It is plus 5 and y. Okay. Next one, 5y plus 3y square. Again, there are two terms in this expression. So which are the two terms? 5y and plus 3y square. If there is no sign, it is plus only. So what are the factors of plus 5y? It's plus 5 and y. What are the factors of 3y square? It's plus 3 and y and y. Okay, remember the tree diagram? The same way we are doing it over here, but we are writing it in a table form. The next is xy plus 2x square y square. Now here this is also a binomial two term expression. Which is the first term? Xy. If there is no number, it is 1, correct? And the second term is 2x square y square. So what are the factors of 1xy? It is 1 x and y. What are the factors of 2x square y square? it is 2. X square is x into x, right? Y square is y into y. These are the factors. Moving ahead to the next problem, we have P, Q and Q. There are two terms, right? So we have P, Q and Q. What are the factors of P, Q? It's P and Q. The second term is made up of only one factor, that is Q. Next, 1.2 AB minus 2.4B plus 3.6A. So 1.2, 2.4, 3.6, all these are decimal numbers, right? So we have first term, second term, third term. Okay, so this particular algebraic expression is made up of three terms. First term is 1.2 AB, second term is minus 2.4B, and the third term is plus 3.6A. So what are the factors of 1.2 AB? It is 1.2 A and B. Factors of minus 2.4B is minus 2.4 and B. Factors of plus 3.6A are plus 3.6 and A. The previous problem was in the form of decimals. This problem they've given it in the form of fractions. So how many terms are there? Two terms. Okay. So the first term is 3 by 4 x. Second term is 1 by 4. So 3 by 4x, the factors are 3 by 4 and x. 1 by 4, it's a constant. You have only one variable here. So 1 by 4. That itself is the factor. Now the last problem again is in the form of decimals. So we have 0.1 p square plus 0.2 q square. Okay, so this also is made up of two terms. This algebraic expression is also made up of two terms. The first term is 0.1 p square and the second term is 0.2 q square, right? No sign, it's plus. Now, what are the factors of the first term? 0.1 p square. P square is nothing but p into p. And the second term, the factors are 0.2 q square is q into q. Okay students, with that let us wind up with this video. See you all in our next video. Have a nice learning experience.